Main 7, Main 8, Main 9, Maintain. I'm really sorry about that one, guys. Hi, I'm your SM2 superfan, and today I want to bring up maintenance management and fleet operations. Maintenance is one of those things that touches way more aspects of your fleet than just what goes on in the maintenance bay. Costs, monetary and otherwise, are impacted by how well you manage your vehicle's maintenance. Think about it. If vehicles aren't maintained properly, the odds of unplanned breakdowns go way up. And given they are unplanned, breakdowns will occur during operation. So if a unit breaks down out in the field, you have to deploy resources to get it off the field, send a replacement to continue where things were left off, perform repairs and parts replacement that are inevitably more expensive than simple maintenance jobs, incur delays in completing tasks that the vehicle was involved in, maybe play catch-up using overtime labor, and cause a dip in the quality of the service you deliver to your client. On top of all that, managing and tracking maintenance and related costs is essential in painting a clear picture of how well your fleet operates and can help make important decisions such as when to replace older vehicles. SM2 Maintain is the only tool you'll ever need to manage your vehicle's maintenance from A to Z. Here's the SM2 platform in all its glory. Today we're here to see maintenance management, which is spread over these two tabs. The first one deals with everything related to parts and labor. When it comes to parts, you can define all kinds of attributes such as costs, categories, suppliers, and warranties. You can also manage inventory, where you can track quantities, define reorder levels, define different locations where the part can be found in the warehouse, and order more units when you need to. In a similar fashion, you can define the different labor types used in your fleet, such as mechanics, electricians, and so on. Moving on to the maintenance tab, we can see how everything fits together. Tasks are basically combinations of parts and labor. Since each part has an assigned cost and the costs of different labor types are also defined, this allows us to know how much each task performed costs in a given situation. You then combine tasks to create different jobs, and with the jobs in place, you have what you need to create maintenance plans which will trigger based on different parameters such as mileage, engine hours, predetermined dates and time periods, and even fluid consumption such as fuel, because SM2 can also manage fuel distribution and inventory. Once everything is set up just the way you need it to, you can create reports and views based on whatever is useful to you, such as lists of maintenance statuses based on how far along each vehicle is toward its next recall. To all the fleet managers out there, if you're playing fast and loose with your maintenance management, then you're doing yourself and your operation a huge disservice. Contact us today for more information and pricing on SM2 Maintain, and until next time, keep it efficient.